Hello everyone. This is assignment number 4. Uh, we have three different exercise. Exercise 1 is to give n number and print this pattern up to n. The pattern they're talking about is 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Exercise number 2 is to give a number and print it backward and following the sequence. Like for example, if I give number 7 and the sequence is going to be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the last exercise is to give a word and print the word but each character one by one. Uh, let's go back to the exercise number 1. And step number 1 is to ask the user to give a value. System out, print ln, enter the value of n, and I close the code. And I create a bridge here to allow the user to write in the console. And the scanner VL, the number or the name of the bridge, new scanner, system in, integer, because the user gonna write an integer, not a string. Integer n equal to VL, the name of the bridge, next int. Here, the output gonna be integer. Now, let me use the loop. For, open parenthesis, integer I equals 0, this is the start. The next iteration number is gonna be I equal I plus 4. And the starting range is gonna I less than or equal to n. N is the number I gave. If I run this program, the output would be 0, 4, 8, 12, and something. It's not gonna be 1, 4, 8 because we're gonna start by 0. So to replace 0 by 1, I'm gonna write this little if condition. I say if I equal to 0, this is the condition. The action gonna be print 1. Else, for other numbers different from 0, the system gonna print I. That means what is supposed to be printed even before this condition. And then I want to put some commas between these numbers. As you see, I'm gonna put comma except after the number I gave or the last number. Remember, the last number is gonna be n. So I say if I is not equal to n, the system gonna print a comma. Let me run it to figure out. I put 32. You see, here you go. The sequence is followed. Let's go to the question number 2. Question number 2 is to give n number again and print a sequence backward. A bridge is created and I'm gonna allow the user to enter the number. Here it's gonna be an integer, and then let me use the loop for integer equal ns, the number I gave. The next iteration number is gonna be 1 equal 1 minus 1 because we're decreasing, we go backward. And the starting point is gonna be 0 here. So is I greater or equal to 0? If I print it, if I run the program, I want to put the number. Let me put like a 7. I run. You see 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The next question, this time, I'm not gonna ask user to give me a number. It's gonna be a word. That's why here, it's not gonna be integer or double. It's gonna be a string. I call it W. And then if I do iterations, I say integer gonna start I equal to 0, and next iteration number gonna be I equal I plus 1 or I plus plus. The stopping range is the length of the string. That means my integer is gonna be less than the length of the string. The character equal to the length inferior or less than the length of the string is the last character, or the last index. Now if I print, I'm gonna print characters using this function string. The function charAt index is gonna be each iteration. So that means if I run this program, you're gonna print my string. For each iteration, you're gonna print index 0, index 1, up to the last index. But I want space between index. This time, after index 0, I need a space. That's why I say if I is greater or equal to 0, print a space. Let's run, and then you're gonna know what I mean. I write, for example, my name. Oh, sorry, yes, my name, Aimable. Here you go. You see that there's space between each characters. Thank you for watching, and thank you for following my session 4